Alright, well this here seal, weather strip seal here on the door is bad. As you can see, it's part of it's gone. Right here you got this, and then this part here is gone. So we're going to replace that. Now the one on the other side, it's in good shape. This one here, it's all there. So both. Alright, well it looks like there's two screws here, one here and one here. And probably should have been one here, but I'm missing that piece, and I don't know about this. I don't know about this hole here, but that there looks like one of the screws. And then up front there was just one screw right there, so that's that. Alright, now I didn't pull this door card off. I just took it loose, popped it up out of there, and then I could get to everything. So I'm not going to pull it all the way off. And then I can clean up all around here and put that new seal in. Alright, here's some of the stuff that I'm going to be using. Some clamps, tape, and that's kind of what I use to clean it up. I'm going to start right here where this here with the two screws, one here and one here, and I'm not going to put no adhesive right there, but I will up in here, but probably not here, just up in here, and then around the door to the other side. Alright, to start, I'm just going to put one screw in so that this here can still move around until I get everything glued down where I want it. As you see right in here, I'm going to have to put some adhesive to get that to go up in there how it's supposed to. Just take our time. Alright, this right here is adjustable, so you can adjust the space between it and the window. It's got a slot in it right there, so that piece is adjustable. Alright, well the only weather strip adhesive that I use on exterior weather strip is the 3M black super weather strip adhesive 08008. I'm going to start right here. This piece goes it right up in there. Well, that's where I'm going to start. Okay, what I'm going to do is just put a dab, just one little dab to hold that up there. So that's the door shell right there, and then it goes into the into here. So I'm just going to put a dab here. I'm going to let the seal go up there and do its job, but I'm just going to put one little dab right there. Alright, we get that in there where we want it. May need to adjust that there a little bit, but it's not too far off. I got some adhesive right here, a little clamp. I'm not totally squishing the weather stripping, and then I can come over here and start this screw here and start working my way around. Once you get this one in, then I put the other side, and I take it and put the other side in and see how it's going to fit. Alright, now the only up here, this is just on here loose. The screw isn't tightened down. It's snug, but that there still needs to be fit into place. What we're looking for is this here to go around the door before we commit to anything. So we'll see what that looks like. Okay, that's looking good up under there. That's gonna fit good. Now the one that we took off was cut right in here and then spliced together, and I was thinking it was probably because it was too long, but this one here fits good. This is a good fit. Alright, the first thing that I'm going to do is put some tape around here so I can start working my way around and get the adhesives, get the weather stripping stuck down with some adhesive. Alright, well, I'm starting up here at the top. I'm just working my way around. I ran a small bead of adhesive down through here, and I'm just taping this into position as I work around, working around the corner. Alright, now the last place that I need to put some adhesive is just right in here, and I might need a little in here to hold that down. I need that to go down like that, and then that's it. We'll close that door and let it dry. Alright, well, now I'm going to close the door up for a little bit and let this set up by about 15-20 minutes. Alright, well, it's been overnight. Check this out. All seems to be in there good. But yeah, that's how I do the weather seal, and it seems to work. Different techniques on some cars. You want to, like in here, I would use it more as a contact adhesive, but on this door you can't really do that. The instructions do say it is a contact adhesive. You know, put them both together, let them skin over, and then stick them together. Well, you can't adjust the at all when you do that. Door closes good. You can definitely tell it's got a new seal, a little bit of wind resistance right there when it closes. That's good. This weather stripping that I got is from Rock Auto. Metro Super Soft. Anyhow, that's the brand of stuff that I got. Rock Auto, Metro. I'm happy with it.